Do you know which disease causes most deaths in the world? The answer is heart disease. The world's deadliest disease is coronary artery disease (CAD), also called ischemic heart disease. CAD occurs when the arteries that supply blood to the heart become narrowed. Untreated CAD can cause chest pain, heart failure, and arrhythmias. The world's greatest killer is heart disease, which accounts for the deaths of 16% of the world's population. Since 2000, the biggest increase in deaths has been the disease, growing to more than 2 million to 8.9 million deaths in 2019. Heart disease has remained the leading cause of death in India for more than 2 decades, fueled by unhealthy diets leading to high blood pressure and the buildup of blood fats, plaque, inside the walls of the arteries, inactivity, obesity, and smoking. In 2019, heart disease claimed 6,59,041 lives in the US, which is most as compared to other diseases. Welcome to the channel Teach Me Health. In this video, I will talk about mainly the 10 types of heart disease and also about their causes and various preventions we can take to save ourselves from heart disease, which is the main cause of most deaths in the world every year. So let's begin. There are several different types of heart disease and they affect the heart in different ways. Here are some types of heart disease. Number 1. Coronary artery disease. It develops when the arteries that supplies blood to the heart become clogged with plaque. This causes them to harden and narrow. Plaque contains cholesterol and other substances. Number 2. Congenital heart defects. Congenital heart disease can involve major structural issues such as the absence of a ventricle and problems with the main arteries that leave the heart. Number 3. Arrhythmia. It occurs when the electrical impulses that coordinate the heartbeat do not work properly. As a result, the heart may beat too fast, too slowly, or erratically. Number 4. Dilated cardiomyopathy. The heart chambers become dilated, meaning that the heart muscle stretches and becomes thinner. The most common causes of the dilated cardiomyopathy are prior heart attacks, arrhythmias, and toxins. As a result, the heart becomes weaker and cannot pump blood properly. It can result in arrhythmia, blood clots in the heart, and heart failure. Number 5. Myocardial infarction. Also known as heart attack, myocardial infarction involves an interruption of the blood flow to the heart. This can damage or destroy part of the heart muscle. Number 6. Heart failure. Heart failure can result from untreated coronary artery disease, high blood pressure, arrhythmias, and other conditions. This condition can affect the heart's ability to pump properly. Number 7. Hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. This condition usually develops when a genetic problem affects the heart muscle. It tends to be an inherited condition. Number 8. Mitral valve regurgitation. This event occurs when the mitral valve in the heart does not close tightly enough and allows blood to flow back into the heart. Number 9. Mitral valve prolapse. This happens when the valve flaps of the mitral valve do not close properly. Instead, they bulge into the left atrium. This can cause a heart murmur. And number 10. Aortic stenosis. In aortic stenosis, the aortic valve opening is too narrow, restricting blood flow from the left ventricle to the heart. It can also impact the pressure in the left atrium. Now let's talk about the causes which lead to heart disease. Heart disease develops when there is damage to all or part of the heart, a problem with the blood vessels leading to or from the heart, a low supply of oxygen and nutrients to the heart. In some cases, there is a genetic cause. However, some lifestyle factors and medical conditions can also increase the risks. These include high blood pressure, high cholesterol, smoking, a high intake of alcohol, overweight, and obesity, diabetes, a family history of heart disease, dietary choices, age, a history of preeclampsia during pregnancy, low activity levels, high stress, and anxiety levels. The World Health Organization (WHO) trusted source mentions poverty and stress as two key factors contributing to a global increase in heart and cardiovascular diseases. Some lifestyle measures can help reduce the risk of heart disease. These include eating a balanced diet. Opt for a heart-healthy diet that is rich in fiber and favors whole grains and fresh fruits and vegetables. Also, it may help to limit the intake of processed foods and added fat, salt, and sugar. Exercising regularly. This can help strengthen the heart and circulatory system, reduce cholesterol, and maintain blood pressure. Maintaining a moderate body weight. A person can check their body mass index (BMI) here. Quitting or avoiding smoking. Smoking is a major risk factor for heart and cardiovascular conditions. Limiting alcohol intake. Females should consume no more than one standard drink trusted source per day, and males should consume no more than 2 standard drinks per day. Managing underlying conditions. Seek treatment for conditions that affect heart health, such as high blood pressure, obesity, and diabetes. Taking these steps can help boost overall health and reduce the risk of heart disease and its complications. Let's take good care of our health and lead a disease-free life. And if you like this video, then please subscribe and don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.